So I just got my canoe in the water. This is the first time of the year. Her name is Patches, and that's her name because she's got holes. She's got duct tape. She's got twist ties. Everything you ever wanted in a canoe, plus more. She's a great canoe and she's held up magnificently on many whitewater canoe trips in the past, but this is her first time in the water this year, so let's see if she stays afloat as we do some fishing and find a nice place to camp. I bought this canoe for 300 bucks last year and it's lasted me 6 or 7 trips now. This thing really was a great deal. And by this thing I mean my beautiful love, Patches. Love you, girl. So this might not look like the best place to camp, and definitely isn't, but looks like it'll be a fun place to camp. So I'm gonna camp here. Oh yeah, this is great. This is bomb proof. If anybody's wondering why I have my life jacket on so long, it's because it's quite warm. Alright, time to get some firewood. I made a pretty questionable decision when I picked out what I was cooking for dinner tonight. Jalapeno poppers. Yeah, I don't know. I can't make the excuse up that I was drunk at the time when I made that decision, because yesterday I celebrated 5 months of sobriety. But maybe I can use the excuse I didn't have enough to drink, and that's why I made that decision. We'll go with that. I didn't have enough to drink, so I made the stupid decision of buying jalapeno poppers to make while camping, and that's all. So we're gonna make jalapeno poppers. Cream cheese, you put it into the jalapeno, and you get the Tex-Mex, you stuff it in each jalapeno. I also got green onions, stuff these on there too. I can't feel my fingers, they are so numb. Alright, we're all lathered up in cream cheese. Chives. Sorry how messy this is. My hands are so numb, I can't, it's hard to control. This is fun though. Currently in this snowstorm, in the middle of this lake, really exposed, freezing our balls off. Welcome to Xander Bander's Cooking Show. There you go. Get in there. It's go time. We already know they look delicious. But how do they taste? The jalapenos cooked pretty well. About 8 jalapenos. So I got 16 halves to eat tonight. I don't know what I was thinking. I could eat 8 more of those. Those are really good. No. Oh, devastating. I'm not warm. I almost wish I brought my sleeping bag liner. This feels colder than some of the winter camping campouts I went on. Cool. So, fire starter kit for the morning. Dear Diary, Patches and I got out today for a bit of a paddle. We set up camp on a small rock outcrop right on the water. Kind of a rookie place to camp considering the exposure. But Patches really stepped up today. She used her great girth to shield my dainty boyhood from the wind and snow. Like a fine wine, she just gets better with age. TTYL, Xander Bander out. This fire is very volatile. I put cedar in it. It seems to be sparking up a storm. You know what? I'm just going to lay down and enjoy it for a while, and then I'll put it up before I go to sleep. Good morning. Oh, it's much warmer than it was yesterday. Wow, it's snowing again. Whoa! So that's it. Just finished my dinosaur eggs oatmeal. Got my coffee here. Thank you, Ty. And I'm going to be heading on out of here. Overall, it was an amazing trip. Snow made for a very interesting scenario. The jalapeno poppers worked out great, except for the ones I spilled on the ground. And Patches here, she made quite the vessel. Not only that, she made for a wonderful home, and for that I'm very, very grateful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.